I know this looks like a Kohler, but surprise, it isn't. It's a 2006 Ferguson ProFlo toilet, aka no flow. Actually, it flushes much better now due to the replacement of this weird wonky flush valve that I'd never seen, and it failed miserably. As a result, the toilet was clogging frequently, and as you see down there, it's a fresh rim of caulk around the base. I had to use a Hydroseat repair flange on this because we were getting sewer gas and the toilet was wobbling and leaking very badly every time it was flushed. So let's give it a flush. It's not a Kohler, it's a Faux-ler. Haha. LOL. Not the greatest flush, but much better. Fluidmaster 400A fill valve and a Fluidmaster 3-inch flush valve with an adjustable flapper. Thumbs up in my opinion. Another job well done.